Ventilation is very important in your jewelry shop. It all starts with this inline duct ventilation fan 4-inch. These are used in grow rooms to get the air out. And I got this one on eBay. It's about $29. This is what it looks like when it's mounted. Yeah, first thing you do is you start by putting a hole in the side of your building there and use one of these dryer ducts. Then they're using a 4-inch dryer duct on this inside the building. Go across your inline duct fan, which goes down and plugs in to the wall, and they got a little switch right there. It plugs into the switch so you can turn on there. You got a little T here. Go down into a 3-inch vent and vent my PMC kiln. Back up, and a little elbow there, 4-inch duct going over, makes a turn, goes down, puts a vent hood right over where I solder. So the fumes are going to go out this vent. Let's turn this on and see how well it works here. This just sits on top of the kiln. Up here in the top of this 3-inch tube, I got a little gate. You can open it up. Close that down, and then all the force will be going right out from the soldering area. So to test the system out, I've got a little piece of incense there. Watch where this smoke goes. And go straight out the ventilation hood. Take it over here and see if we can test it on the PMC kiln. Got an extra flange here. I might cut a hole in the top of my buffer. Since this is flexible tubing here, I'll be able to just bring this thing over. And 2 close friends died from fumes, from breathing fumes while they soldered or while they oxidized some brass jewelry. I don't know if I mentioned yet, but this inline fan is 195 cubic feet per minute. That means it sucks 195 cubic feet of air out of your shop in a minute. 195 cubic feet is about, let's see, it'll be 27 cubic feet in a cubic yard, so that looks like about 6 cubic yards of air in your shop going outside being replaced every minute. So it should take all the air out of your shop every 3 minutes and replace it with fresh air. By the way, I just wanted to mention this whole ventilation system cost under $70. $33 with shipping for that inline duct ventilation fan, T's, gate, pipe, everything else came from Lowe's. I'd say I got about 75 bucks in this.